We're going to explain how to create categories in Excel. There are several ways to do this depending on what you want to categorize. 1. The simplest method is using filters. Imagine you have a spreadsheet with a column listing different fruits. To categorize them, select the entire column containing the fruit names, go to the Data tab, and click Filter. Small drop-down arrows will appear next to your column headers. Clicking the arrow lets you select specific fruits, effectively creating categories by filtering your view. You can select multiple fruits at once to further refine your categories. 2. Another way is using conditional formatting. Let's say you want to highlight different fruit categories with different colors. Select the column with fruit names. Go to Conditional Formatting under the Home tab and select Highlight Cells Rules. Choose text that contains and enter the name of each fruit category you want to highlight, assigning a different color to each. This visually categorizes your data, making it easier to understand at a glance. 3. For more complex categorization, you can use pivot tables. This is incredibly useful for summarizing large data sets. To create a pivot table, go to Insert and select Pivot Table. Choose where you want the pivot table to appear, new worksheet or existing one. Drag the column containing your fruit names into the rows area of the pivot table field list, and then add any other relevant data columns into the values area. This will automatically group your data by fruit type, giving you a summarized view and efficient categorization. 4. If you need more control and want permanent categories, you can add a new column specifically for categories. For example, you might have a column for fruit type and assign categories like citrus, berries, or stone fruit. This method lets you assign multiple items to one category, providing more flexibility than filters. Remember to save your workbook after making any changes. Using these methods, you can effectively organize and analyze your data by creating categories suitable for your needs, whether it's a quick filter, visual highlighting, or a detailed summary using a pivot table. Remember to adapt these steps based on your specific Excel version and data structure.